Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy. Yeah, that didn't work. Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant. And girl, today we have June 2022 Scent and Warmer of the Month. But before we get into that, we have some announcements that are happening Monday, May 23rd. This Monday, somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30, around the 10 o'clock hour. It's happening on my website. And we have three really, really good launches. Number one is the Unplugged is going on 30% off. And it is unlicensed car bars, scent circles, scent packs, and girl, what else did I say there was? No, the car bar clips. Car bar clips. That's what's going on sale. 30% off. That is a steal of a deal. And right now, as you guys know, I'm really, really digging the car bars. This just came in. This is a whole nother order that I just did. Make a Splash. Oh my God, watermelon tangerine. Aloe water and cucumber. Iridescent pearl. That's my second iridescent pearl. We got Sunkissed citrus and Aloha citrus. I love, ooh girl, they're gonna fly everywhere. I love the car bars. That's the first thing that's launching on, well, it's not the first thing. Along with launching on that day is the Father's Day collection. So, oh my God, girl, let's pull this up. Let's get this up. So it's, Scentsy has listened, sorry. Scentsy has listened. They are doing bundles. Bundles, bundles, bundles. We love bundles. We love to save money. So things will be sold separately, but they are going to have a few Father's Day bundles, and it includes this cute grilling warmer, and I don't even know what the warmer is called. I'm going to tell you what the warmer is called right now. It is called a Job Well Done warmer. It's a little like smoker barbecue warmer, and there's going to be a few bundles. The bundle is, they're going to have an oil 3-pack bundle with three oils. 2 is called the Father's Day Collection Bundle, which is $75, and that's the full shebang. You're going to get the like shave kit and mister or whatever it's called, along with, I'll put pictures up, along with a wax bundle and the warmer for $75. Or you can go just get the wax bars that are coming out, because there's a lot of wax bars coming. I believe it's 4 wax bars for $20. You're gonna get Business Casual Scentsy bar, My Dear Watson bar, Route 66, and Returning Vanilla Bourbon, which a lot of people loved. I think that smells more like Christmas. I really, really like that one. But also, there is the Job Well Done bundle as well. That's $60. You get a warmer and just the 4 scents. So Scentsy has listened, and I really do like that. They also have, what is it called? They have the oil 3-pack, and then they have the body bundle. That's what I meant to say. They have a body bundle with body wash, shave cream, and yeah, body wash and shave soap and a mist. And that is $25. So that's going to be amazing. Father's Day is launching. 30% off the certain Unplugged. It's unlicensed, so it has to be regular Scentsy. And you guys, Looney Tunes is coming back. But this time, they brought, I'll put pictures up. They brought the Tasmanian Devil, and they brought Marvin the Martian back. This is my 90s teenage years all over again. This is my 80s childhood, sitting on the carpet, eating some cereal, waiting for my parents to wake up so my mom could throw chanclas at everybody and be like, it's time to clean! And it's like, but lady, you slept in. But whatever. That was my childhood, watching the Looney Tunes. Absolutely cute. They both come with a scent pack. But again, Scentsy has listened. You can buy the buddies individual, or you can combine the 2 and save yourself $20. And I think it's 2 buddies, this one Taz and one Marvin, for $60, or they're $40 individually, and they come with the scent pack, the Looney Tunes scent pack, the one that I say that smells like hot apple juice. So that's all coming on Monday. Unplugged, Father's Day collection, and Looney Tunes. That's the big announcement happening Monday on my website between 9:30 and 10:30. That's it, you guys. Let's get into the scent and warmer of the month for June 2022. Oh my god, that's like a whole like mouthful. So we got our stuff here. I already opened up the box because I feel like having the box open, and when I do it, it's just too much. So as a consultant, you guys know we get the perk of getting the warmer of the month prior. So our kits come with 8 bars of wax, pamphlets, rub and sniff stickers, and I get scent and warmer, so I get both. Some people just like to get scent of the month, and I like to get both. That's just my preference. So let's go over our little pamphlet, but girl, I didn't get that ready. Didn't want to deal with the box. Got the pamphlet. So it's our little pamphlet, and let's go over our scent of the month. Close your ears. I'm not going to take out all 8 bars, but you guys, we get 8 bars. And that's one thing I love about, because I love wax. I love getting bars. The only time I don't like getting the bars is when I know I'm not going to like the scent. But let's go over scent of the month. Look at that beautiful packaging. Is that like little pies on there or something? So what is this called? Red, white, and berry pie. A sweet slice of ripened cherry, red raspberry, baked with vanilla. Scentsy puts this in the bakery category. Your top notes are clementine, sugar, apple, peach preserves. Your mid notes are ripened cherry, red raspberry, and wild cranberry. And your base notes are butter pastry, vanilla bean, and coconut sugar. So for the month of June, as of June 1st, this will be $5.40 for your bars. Room sprays are $7.20, and your scent circles are $2.70, all US pricing. So what did we say this was? Clementine, sugar, apple, peach preserves. Ripened cherry, so, ooh girl, this is already, I can already smell this. Cherry's right up my alley. Red raspberry and wild cranberry. Oh wow, that's cherry. And it's not like cough syrup cherry, because I don't like cough syrup cherry, but I love cherries, you guys. I'm allergic to cherries. I'm allergic to any kind of cherry there is. I break out really bad. I could almost die. And do I still eat cherries? Absolutely. I know my limit is 4. I take it to the 4, and once my throat starts going, I'm like, all right, that's enough. Oh, but this smells so good. This smells like the cherries. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys, I don't know wherever you guys are at in your area, but here we have a lot of street vendors. Our street vendors are at the corner, and they sell like fresh oranges, strawberries, and they sell cherries. And that's what it smells like. It smells like a crate of cherries. A little bit of raspberry. I'm not getting much bakery. Maybe like a hint of like vanilla in there. This smells really, really nice. I'm not getting like a pie crust note, because I think that's what it shows here. Like there's like pie crust like down here. It might come out like when it's warming, but this smells really, really beautiful. This could be bakery. Could be bakery, it could be fruity, depending on how it warms. But I'm loving this. This already smells on cold like a medium performer. Really, really nice. So I love cherry. I love that maraschino cherry cookie, I think, that we got as a surprise. So I'm digging cherry. If so far, so good. I think I've only not liked like 1 scent out of all the scent of the months, and I think that was just Tiger Lily. I liked it on cold. I don't like it on warm. But this one's really, really good, and the packaging is super cute. I think it's really nice because they're doing it for like 4th of July. I guess everybody eats pie on 4th of July. Girl, I don't eat pie on 4th of July. I don't even think I make pie on 4th of July. But let's go into our warmer of the month, and this is called, girl, what is this called? Land of Liberty. How cute, you guys. I don't know if Scentsy's gonna be doing like a lot of trailers, but if you're gonna have like a trailer collection now, you have the Christmas trailer, then you'll have the Land of the Liberty, right? Land of Liberty trailer. So this is my kind of warmer. Even though we got styrofoam, I don't have to put it together. That's, girl, I tell you, simplicity is key for me, because everything breaks and everything gets broken. I do love the trailer dishes because they are huge. They are deep. This one is going to take 4 cubes. A lot more can fit in here. Do you need a lot more? Not really, but girl, let's get this going. I think this is, the Christmas trailer is 25 watt, and I believe this one's also 25 watt. It looks like the exact same dimensions as if you got that Christmas camper. I love my Christmas camper. My husband did not want it, and I said, too bad. It is beautiful. So I assume this is just going to be just as, oh girl, put in your tray right. I assume it's just going to be just as beautiful. And you don't, if you don't decorate for like 4th of July, I would say like a lot of people have oh my god, what are those farmhouse like kitchens like with cows and stuff like that? Well, I have a cow in my kitchen, but I'm not farmhouse, but I think it would go good with farmhouse as well. So let's light the trailer up. I like little trailers. Do I go camping? Oh hell no, I don't go camping. I've been camping once up north in California. It's called the Sequoias, and girl, they put me in a tent with pans and pots, and you have to bang them because the bears come. No, if you have to put me where there's somewhere where there are bears, I obviously don't belong there, okay? And let me tell you, I was like 12 or 11 and I twisted my ankle trying to run through this stream because girl, there was animals everywhere. And no, this girl did not do it then, don't do it now, but I like the aesthetic of camping, okay? I go glamping. Y'all can go camp in the Sequoias over there, and maybe like 45 minutes away, I'm in a hotel. Okay, that's me. But let's light her up. Beautiful. It lights up just like the, oh girl, I gotta show it. I can't put it all the way up there. But you have your little star garland here to decorate. What does this say? Celebrate USA. You know, this reminds me of like the Olympics, girl. That's what it more reminds me of. Looks like the Olympics. But so cute. You got your wheel. You got your little hitch. Goes all the way around. You have star detailing. So all this is going to shine on your walls. Absolutely. You got like little star cutouts. There's another little star cutout there. And your windows. And even you have star cutouts on the butt of the trailer, and it shines through your windows, and it shines through the top with this big dish. Now, I had really, really good performance from the Christmas camper. This is no different. This one will also give you good performance. It gets really hot. It has really, really good throw. I believe it would be the same. So really, really cute. You know, it would be really cute to just like have like a collection of trailers. If Scentsy's bringing out more, girl, we're gonna have trailers everywhere, you know? But absolutely cute. So let's go over what Scentsy says about this girl, what they say about this little camper. I don't think they call it a trailer, they call it a camper, but girl, I call it a trailer. So Land of Liberty, this, oh girl, there we go. This cute camper is loaded with patriotism and a sense of adventure, making you want to hit the open road and explore the land you love. And it's even trimmed with an extra star-spangled spirit. I'm assuming that's this. I was gonna say garland, but it's not. So, it is tin, it's glow, it's 6.5 inches tall, and it has a 25 watt bulb in there, and it is $58.50 the month of June. After June, it's going to be $65. Yep, I read that right. $65. And on this little flyer, it oh girl, I'm all over the place. Can't do everything. Only got 2 hands. It shows how it lights up against your wall, and that's how the other camper did it as well. Absolutely beautiful. I really like it. I think it's super cute. And like I said, if you don't want to decorate for 4th of July, again, I think it would go fine with like those country, what did I say it was? The country kitchen thing. Because I see when I go like to like country kitchen cafes, they have like the cows and stuff, but they have a lot of like stars and stripes everywhere as well, and it looks really, really cute like in those kind of like country kitchens. We have one here, it's called Molly's Country Kitchen, and it's super good food. And that's what it is, you guys. So that is our warmer and scent of the month. Are we excited? I'm excited. Why not? Why not be excited? Hey Scentsy Fam, I wanted to show you real quick what the trailer looks like on lit and kind of decorated, and we're gonna do different bulbs. This is a trailer with a red bulb, and we will go to blue. And this is the trailer on with a blue bulb if you guys want to get all festive and fun. And I hope this is helpful. June is coming, and you guys have to think, June is coming halfway already through the year. Halfway. So you guys, I'm gonna break it, but it needs. So, as always, guys, comment down below. Let me know, what are you guys picking up on Monday? Are we excited about Monday, or is it only me? Because I'm excited about Monday. This is what I'm excited for on Monday. I am stocking up. I think the buddies are cute. Father's Day is coming out. You might as well get it ahead of time because things do sell out. Everything is while supplies last. That is launching on Monday. And you guys, as always, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking of the warmer of the month. And as always, hit the like, subscribe, share button. And if you guys still want to hang around after that, there's always a video here. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.